In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable auto queen on chess.com. By the end, you'll know exactly where the setting is, what it does, and when it's helpful, so you can decide if it fits your playing style. First, open your settings on chess.com. From there, go into All Settings, then find the Gameplay section. Inside Gameplay, look for the option labeled Auto Queen or sometimes Always Promote to Queen depending on the version you're using. Turn that toggle on. That's it. Once this is enabled, any pawn that reaches the last rank will automatically become a queen without showing the usual promotion menu. Here's why this setting matters. In fast time controls like Blitz and Bullet, those extra seconds spent choosing a piece can cost you the game. With Auto Queen on, the promotion happens instantly, so you don't lose time or misclick under pressure. It streamlines your moves and time scrambles and keeps your focus on the position rather than the interface. Let's talk about how it affects your strategy. The queen is almost always the strongest choice when promoting a pawn, so automatic queening will be correct the vast majority of the time. It adds immediate firepower, increases your control of the board, and often converts winning positions more reliably. This setting is especially useful in endgames where you're racing to promote and need speed to avoid flagging on the clock. However, there is one important trade-off. With auto queen on, you won't get the chance to underpromote to a rook, bishop, or knight in that exact moment. Underpromotion is rare, but it matters in specific situations, like avoiding stalemate when a queen would trap the opponent's king with no legal moves, or creating a tactical check with a knight that a queen can't give from the same square. If you're playing a time control where precision is more important than speed, or you often find yourself in tricky endgames that call for underpromotion, keep this trade-off in mind. A quick tip for adapting your habits. With auto queen enabled, plan your promotion a move or two earlier. If you suspect you might need something other than a queen, evaluate that before you push the pawn to the final rank. To recap, go to Settings, then All Settings, open Gameplay, and toggle Auto Queen or Always Promote to Queen. It's a simple switch that can save precious seconds and make your fast games smoother. Try it in your next Blitz session and see how much more fluid your promotions feel.